Apple announced a new Apple Card credit card, which promises to improve the credit card experience with simpler applications, with no charges, lower interest rates and better rewards. To obtain an Apple Card, users can register on their iPhone in the Apple Wallet application and obtain a digital card they can use anywhere they accept Apple Pay. Customers can also track purchases, balances, and see when your invoice expires directly from the application. There will also be a physical titanium card, but there is no credit card number, CVV, expiration date or signature. All of that authorization information is stored directly in the Apple Wallet application. Instead of a rewards program based on points, the Apple Card offers cash rewards in the form of daily cash, which is applied directly to your Apple Card to spend or invest in your purchases. Apple is offering a 2% cash refund on purchases made through Apple Pay using an Apple Card, and Apple purchases will get a 3% cash refund. However, purchases made through the physical card will only receive a refund of 1%.